Today we are going to learn in code.org course A 2020 for KG class. This is for course A for KG class. Let's start. Okay, now you completed lesson 5. Okay, now go to the lesson number 6, KG class, programming with Rey and BB-8. Okay, now course A and B. So let's move towards the lesson. Continue. You can watch this video. Okay, now here's another word, lesson 6, programming with Rey and BB-8. Okay, now go get this scrap metal BB-8. So here is BB-8 and is the scrap metal. Okay, now watch out for walls and crates. Scrap metal look like this one. Okay, now let me try this. Look like this. Excellent. Here is hint button as well. If you stuck, if you're not able to solve, so you need to click here and get the hint. So let me count. Can you see this blocks over here, just like a chart? Okay, graph paper. So 1 to 2 step towards. Let me put this. Is there any 2? Yes, 2 is there. I have to move words repeat the statement, this instruction 2 times, 1 and 2 times. Move towards east, repeat 2 times. Okay, now we need to move how many times? Let's say 3 times. That's it. Excellent. Level completed. Congratulations. Moving towards the next level. Great. Get all the metals. Okay, now we need to get all the metals. First, I will take 2 steps, 1 and 2. Okay, now let me put this. Repeat block. I want to make my life easy. That's why I'm using repeat block. I have to move forward 2 steps. Okay, towards east. So let me run it. That's it. Now I have to take how many steps downward? 2 steps downward. Okay, there are many ways. Okay, you can even take let's say 3 steps forward. Let's change your logic. Okay, now put again repeat block because I have to move downward. How many times? 2 times. Okay, downward 2 times. So now I have used only 5 blocks to complete this level. So let's try. That's it. Congratulations, you completed puzzle. Okay, now keep going. BB-8. Okay, BB-8. First of all, I need to move forward 1 and 2 steps. Okay, now move forward. Let's say how many steps? Let's say 2 steps. Then move towards east. Okay, now run. Then now I have to move downward 2 steps again. Now move 2 steps. Repeat the instruction 1 and 2 times. And move downward. Put this block over here. So reset. First 3 times and down. Excellent. Now move towards this left side 1 2 times. So put this block over here. So again select 2 and now move towards west. Now run the reset. Run. That's how you can complete the level. It's very easy, very interesting. Okay, now it's a bit challenging. Okay, now get it BB-8. So we have to use 7 blocks. So it is now getting very interesting. Class, pay attention. Okay, now let's start. So I have to repeat. So no, first of all I have to make my logic. First move forward 1 step and then downward, then forward, then downward, then forward, then downward. Move forward, downward. Okay, now repeat. Then first of all move forward, put this block and then go downward. So let me try this. Repeat 3 times. Move forward, downward. Oh, excellent. That's it. Okay, now can you get it all? Okay, now let's build a logic. Move forward, downward. Move forward, downward. Move forward, downward. Yes, this is my logic. You can even do what? Downward and move forward 2 steps. Then downward, move forward 1 step. You can do whatever you like. There are many ways. Okay, So you need to complete the level. We're using only 7 blocks. I've created this logic. Downward, move 2 steps. Downward. Okay, then what? Move forward, downward, then move forward, then downward, move forward, downward. Okay, move forward, downward. Now put this one. First of all, move forward, then go downward. So let me try this. Done. That's it. Excellent. Okay, now moving toward next level. Okay, now you can do it. Yes, we can. Okay, now let's build our logic. Move forward 2 steps, then downward 2 steps, then forward 2 steps, then downward 2 steps. That's easy. Put repeat block. Now put move forward how many steps? Move forward 2 steps, 1 and 2, then downward how many steps? 1 and 2. So downward 2 steps, 1 and 2. That's it. So let's run this. That's it. Congratulations. We have completed puzzle 7. Now moving towards puzzle 8. So now here it is. Okay, go get it. Let's create our logic algorithm. Move forward 2 steps, 1 and 2. Then downward how many steps? 1, 2. Then move forward 2 steps, 1, 2. Downward 2 steps. Same logic. Put repeat block. Move forward how many steps? 1, 2. Then downward 1 and 2. 2 blocks. Downward 1, 2. That's it. So run the code. Downward. That's it. Now let's move towards the next level. Now I'm ready at level 9. So now create a logic. Keep it up BB-8 challenge. Gather all the scrap metal. Okay, now first of all let's build logic. Move forward 2 steps, then downward 2 steps, then go left 1, 2 steps. Move forward 2 steps, then downward. Okay, move forward 2 steps, 1, 2, then downward 2 steps. Okay, let's try. Let's move forward 2 steps, move forward. Okay, now how many steps move forward? We need 2 steps, move forward, then downward 2 steps. Okay, now let me put this. Move forward 2 steps, then downward 2 steps. Let's try this. Run this code. Not like that. Aha. Reset. Move forward 2 steps, downward 2 steps. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blocks downward. Okay, now it's challenging. Okay, let's say move forward 2 steps. Okay, now downward how many steps? Okay, now downward 2 steps. Downward 2 steps. Reset. Fine. Okay, now after that move towards left side, 2 step, left side. Okay, now move downward, 2 step downward. Okay, or we can do what, we can go back here. After that we need to do what, move back 2 steps. Done. Okay, fine. Here we need to repeat again. No, not this one. Again we need to move downward. Move downward again. Downward 2 steps. Again turn left. Now let me create my logic again. First we need to move forward 2 steps, fine, then downward 2 steps till here, then left 2 steps, then again back 2 steps, then downward 2 steps, then again use which one, want to remove this, I want to remove this. Okay, now let me put repeat block over here inside this loop. This is a bit tricky, you can change the logic. I'm just going to try this 2 times, repeat all these blocks after moving downward. Let's try this. Yes, I need to change it to 3 times. So now reset. This is my logic, you can make it easy because you have to use only 19 blocks. I have used 10 blocks. That's it. You can even create it much easier way. Okay, now you can do it. Okay, now it's called critical thinking, problem solving skill. It's not a piece of cake, beta. So work out on a piece of paper, and after that you have to use your computer, then run. Okay, now first of all I'm going to create my logic over here. You can do it. First I have to move what, move downward. How many steps? Okay, now move forward, then turn left, yes, downward 1 2 3 4 5 6, easiest way. Move forward 6 steps downward. That's it. I've used only 3 steps out of 14. Now I have to move 1 step to the west. Now I have to move upward, so I will build what, 1 2 3 4 and 5 steps upward. So put this block and now write 5 steps. This is called looping, we are learning looping. 5 steps upward. So now reset the environment. So downward 6 steps and then to the west. That's it. Okay, now continue. Okay Ji, now can you get it all? Okay, so let me build my logic. Okay, first I have to move 2 steps forward, then left 2 step, 1 2, then upward again. Okay, now it's very easy. So drag and drop over here. First of all you need to move upward 2 steps, put this upward, movement steps, 2 steps. Then after that I have to move this way, left side. So left side means I will take 2 steps. Then I will move upward 2 steps. Okay, now it will take me how many times? Let's say 2 times. Okay, now that's it. Yes, completed. Yes, puzzle 8 completed. Now moving towards, keep going, keep going. Okay, now let's create a logic. First I will have to move forward. Okay, 2 step forward. Then okay, now how to do that? How to do move forward, then downward. This one, then this one. Okay, now let me move forward. First of all, move forward 2 steps. Okay, let's say move forward 2 steps. Then I have to move downward 2 steps. You know, 2 step downward. Put this block south. Try this. Okay, now then again move towards the left side 2 steps towards the left side. So instead of 2 step I have to move movement steps. Let's say 2, 3 and 4 step forward. So let's try this, make it 4. That's it. Okay, now I have to move upward movement steps 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I need to put what? Move forward, repeat block 4 times, move upward. That's it. So now reset. Okay, I have used so many blocks, 9 blocks. Beta, you can build your logic like that. Okay, you need to work hard. Okay ji, completed lesson 6. Till here I have completed. So in lesson 7 onward in course A KG class, happy loops. In this lesson you will learn about loops. Okay, we have already learned about loops. Okay, now I'm going to skip this. Okay, lesson 8. In next class we will learn about the loops. Yes, we have already did, we have completed, because look here, when I will put this repeat block, so I will count the block 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So move towards west 5 steps. That's how you can complete the level. That's it. Okay, in next lesson I will continue lesson 8 onward. Okay, and there are very challenging questions are coming in our way. We need to solve that. So thank you very much. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Okay, now it's a lengthy video, but when you click on the chapters, you will find the chapters in the description box. When you click on it, you will learn your specific skill. Okay, thank you very much. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Stay positive, stay happy.